Hey guys, how you doing? It's Tony. This is just gonna be a simple TA on SHIB or Shiba, whatever Shiba token, whatever it's called. I still don't know what exactly it's called, but I am expecting this to have a short sell-off all the way back to around 1, 2, 3, 4, like 21, right? I'm not gonna count the zeros or whatever, but I am expecting this to sell off down to like 21. I think the sell-off might have actually. I don't think we're gonna trade sideways. I do think, like I said, we're going back to this, this this 00021 level. I do think that we actually just started this with this recent most downtrend right here. On the day chart, we are looking like it's gonna be like we're actually gonna hit the downside in the next couple of days. I don't know if I'm actually gonna buy Shiba Inu. To be completely honest, I've been looking at buying it. I would only buy it honestly if we actually drop down to maybe like 12. I think I would only buy it if we drop down to like 12. I don't think I would buy it still even at like this 21 level. I think I would probably only buy it if we hit lows of 12. I don't know if that's exactly going to happen. I do think that this 21 level is definitely possible within the next couple of days. And if there's no news or there's nothing going on, then maybe I'd buy in. But as of right now, I don't think I'm going to actually be buying in. But I do think we're actually going back down towards that 21 level. I think we're basically going to be going to... So I'll give you guys the scenarios, right? I think a lot of you guys said that you guys like these, like the certain scenarios. So the bear scenario, I'm not going to point out the bear scenario because the bear scenario is basically us heading straight to zero, which I don't think is actually going to happen. For the bear scenario, I think that we actually go down to 12, bounce off that level, and basically just shoot all the way back up, right? So I think the bear scenario is basically this. That's what I think the bear scenario is. I think that for the most part, Shiba Inu is going to be relatively strong just on the fact that there's a bunch of hype around it, right? I don't think the hype has died down yet, and there's still a bunch of people. As long as I keep seeing people post, comments on TikTok and shit, I still think there's a solid chance that this is going to happen, that we're going to really, it's going to stay strong and possibly power up to the upside. The bull case right now, just on charts. I need to get rid of this because I don't need that. The bull case would basically be a drop to 21, a retest of that level, because we actually have previous support right here. You guys see that support right here, very good support, very solid support. And then we basically just jump all the way back up, right? So there's really only two scenarios. We actually go from the levels that we have right there, we basically go all the way down to 12, shoot back up, and then the bullish case is that we basically go down to 21 and then shoot back up. I don't think there's a case where we actually go straight from here up to 37 and then possibly just keep skyrocketing. I don't think there's a case where that actually happens. I think as of right now, there is a solid chance that we possibly dip down here, especially because on the day level, on the day chart, we're seeing very, very, very big signs of bearish movement, as well as the 4 hour. It seems like the 4 hour is still pretty bearish, but take in consideration, I'll take off these arrows, but take into consideration that our trend levels are right. We're basically, I'll make this easy for you guys, right? So I don't know what this pattern is called. I mean, I can really kind of care less about this. Because I don't really use a lot of candlestick patterns. But essentially what you're seeing right here is basically a movement up or movement down, right? From this little triangle, whatever the fuck it's called. See, I know what the patterns are. I don't know what they're called, and because I don't really use them a bunch. But essentially what we're looking for is a candle break under this level or a candle break above this level. If we actually break a candle over this and a candle gets created, there's a solid chance we're gonna actually pass this, go up, retest, and then shoot up, right? But the same thing is actually for the downside. There's a solid chance that we're gonna break this, go all the way down to 21 cents, and then possibly then shoot back up. I don't think that Shiba is actually gonna crash all the way down here, especially after it just got listed on Binance and fucking crypto and the crypto.com and I think the Huoki, I think the exchanges. So I think there's a very, very slim chance that it'll actually dip all the way back down to where it previously was when it was like on Pancake, whatever the hell it's called. I think for the most part, there's like a 90% chance that we're going back down to 21 and then rebounding off that. So if you were actually thinking about buying Shiba, I'd probably wait until this 21 price level and then probably buy there. To be completely honest, I'm not gonna play this unless this is actually available on Forex. I'm not gonna go out of my way to buy fucking Shiba Inu and like actually hold the coins. I can care less about Shiba Inu. It's a shit coin. Everybody knows it's a meme coin. Everybody knows this shit's not going fucking anywhere. It's mathematically impossible for this thing to actually hit a penny. But for those that you guys actually are holding and stuff, I strongly recommend you do not trade this. But again, these TAs are strictly based on the fact that a lot of my followers are asking me. But I don't everybody, this is a shit coin. Again, this is a meme coin. If I were to play this, it would strictly be on swing trades. This would not be something that I follow and not something that I would hold 100%. This is a shit coin. And I really want to put that out there because I don't want you guys losing money thinking this shit is going to go to a cent. It's not. It's never going to hit a penny. It is mathematically impossible for this coin to hit a penny. Like, it's not going to happen ever. At least not in our lifetime. Maybe 300 years down the line, if this thing is even fucking available or still alive by then. But unless we hit some sort of super crazy hyperinflation, this shit is not gonna hit a penny. So I highly recommend you don't hold this unless it's money you're willing to actually just like not care about. But if in the instance that you actually want to buy this and swing trade this or whatever, I'd strongly recommend you wait to that 21 level. I do think there's a strong chance that we're gonna dip down and then rebound back. Apart from that though, I don't really see the actual use case of this. So even doing just a simple fib, right? We'll do a simple fib. On the 6-1, yeah, look at that, perfect. Look at that perfect 618. That 618 is perfect on that 20, 29, 21 level right here. Look at that, absolutely perfect. I'd 100%, I'd wait till we actually go down to this 21 level and then kind of buy from there. But other than that, I do think we're actually headed down to this side and then bouncing from here and then going back up. So I'll see you guys.